When you don't have a SSL certificate associated with your site, this is what your website visitors will be seeing. Not secure in front of the website domain name. Your connection to the site is not secure, which will get bad publicity for the website, the company, and the brand, which will result in losing confidence among customers. Hence, SSL certificate setup for website very important. So in this video, I will show you how to set up SSL certificate for your WordPress site. First, we need to go to Cloudflare website and sign up in it. Next, we need to add our website domain name by clicking this Add a Site button. We need to enter the website domain name in this field. And continue the process by clicking Add Site button. Here, in Cloudflare, we have all these options. We need to click the free option to continue with the video process. The DNS record has been created for the website. Again, we need to click this button and continue the video process. In this page, you can see here, this is my existing website domain name servers. We need to replace it with these Cloudflare domain name servers. So we need to head to the website domain name account to replace the name servers inside it. My domain name account is with GoDaddy. You may have your domain name account with any other domain seller, be it HostGator or Bluehost, but the process is all the same. Once we log into domain account, we need to go to the DNS page, where all the data records of the domain is entered. We can click the Manage DNS button to go to the DNS records. Here, we need to scroll to the Name Servers section. Here, these are my website domains, name servers in my domain seller account. We need to remove these name servers and paste the Cloudflare name servers. So let's copy both the name servers, one after the other, and paste it here, in this name server fields. Finally, update the changes we made here, by clicking the Save button. And done, you can see the Cloudflare name servers has been updated, and the records entered in domain name account. Next step is to go to Cloudflare account, and update some changes in Cloudflare site too. Here, first we need to click this button and check the name servers changed. And again, we need to do a few settings, like automatic HTTPS rewrites, which will automatically fix and rewrite HTTPS for every HTTP page on the website. Next, with this always use HTTPS activation, for every HTTP request, will redirect to the HTTPS before the website and website pages. And continue with the video process, and save all changes made in Cloudflare site. And done, our site is being protected with SSL certificate. Now, let's go back to the browser, and confirm the free SSL certificate installation, on our website domain name. And you can see the HTTPS, along with the padlock, before the domain name of the website. We can see, it's saying the site connection is secure to visit. And done successfully setting the free SSL certificate for our website domain name, which will boost confidence on the site's security and protection to any customer data. I hope this video is helpful to you. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon, to get updates when we add new content.